and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be learning how to track your mouse. It's very simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Okay, we will see how we can track mouse cursor on this user screens. This demo can be expanded if required to track users activity on your website or create a heat map. The term heat map by Hotjar and other user tracking tools in the market. So basically what they're doing is they're monitoring the activity of user and they try to increase their conversions from visitor to a buyer. For this training you need a computer or a laptop and any modern browser. Okay, this is the code, so let's go to the terminal and do some coding. Okay, this is my terminal here, and I'm going to personal projects JavaScript, and I'm going to create a file called track your mouse, the directory. Okay, and this definitions just in case. So we are going to use Sublime editor and I'm going to call the file as index.html. So the first thing we have is HTML tag, then we have the body tag, and we have a title, same track your mouse. This is it, and here we have two input boxes. One is have the ID of X and the other one has the ID Y, and then we can have labels, X position of the mouse, weight, and here we can copy, you can say Y position of mouse. And now the real stuff is this JavaScript. So here we go. JavaScript, what we are going to do is we are going to capture an event on this slide. So what we are going to do is we are going to create two variables, mouse X and mouse Y, and on event document on mouse move we are going to create an anonymous function. So var mouse X equals 0, and then we have var mouse Y equals 0, and now what we're going to do is document dot on mouse Y. This is an event, so whenever the mouse moves on the screen within the browser, it captures its position. So we want to store it into e.x, and similarly we have mouse y, e.y, and now we want to show in the console.log and say x, and then we have mouse x. Similarly we have y and mouse y. Here we go, and now we need to show the user x and y position in the text boxes that we created above. So this is pretty simple. Document.get my ID, and here we have x.value plus mouse x is the x position. And similar thing is copied, and we have y and this is y. So now we are going to test it in our browser. So here I am in my personal projects, JavaScript, track your mouse and index.html. We will do the over in our browser. So as you can see, and I move my mouse cursor, you can see the value in text boxes is changing. So basically it is showing the current position of the mouse cursor in your browser. one interesting thing you can do is you can change the title of the page as well. So title equals mouse x plus mouse y, and your page title will be the dynamic